Hello everyone, I'm the Enforcer, and welcome to the Day 121 summary. In this first clip, we can see a Russian anti-air system destroying itself. I guess you could call that the return to sender first class priority package. In this next clip, we can see a Russian armored personnel carrier, or some kind of an armored car, firing into the tree line near the road, as supposedly they are under Ukrainian counterattack. I did not see the Ukrainians in this video, but we do see these Russian armored cars lighting up the hillside. In this video, we see the Ukrainians destroying a Russian convoy of supplies. In this last video, we see Ukrainian soldiers endure a close call as a Russian artillery shell lands right in front of them. Luckily, none of the soldiers in the video were wounded. I thank you all for watching. I hope you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.